Introducing ground peanut, Arachis pintoai of the family Fabaceae. Ground peanut is a stoloniferous perennial creeping legume that can reach 20 to 50 centimeters in length and form dense swards. It is strongly taprooted and has many secondary nodulated roots. The leaves are tetrapolulate. The leaflets are oblong, obovate to obovate in shape, 4.5 centimeters long by 3.5 centimeters broad, glabrous and darker green under upper side and pubescent underneath. Ground peanut is a forage plant native to Cerrado vegetation in Brazil. It is used as a live mulch for soil conservation and weed suppression, particularly in shaded situations such as under trees and vines. Once established, ground peanut can outcompete weeds and thus be useful for weed control. In the subtropics, it can be used in no-till or low-till systems in combination with ryegrass. Ground peanut may become a weed in warmer areas.